In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free Notion template. It's a simple process, so grab your device and let's dive right in. To start with, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in Easlo Templates. After hitting enter, a list of search results will pop up, showing various links related to your query. What you want to look for is the official Easlo Templates website. It should usually be among the top results. Once you find it, click on the link to visit the website. Now that you're on the Easlo Templates site, you'll notice it's quite straightforward. The home page might show you a range of template options, both paid and free. Your next step here is to locate the Paid Plus Free section, usually found under the Templates menu or displayed prominently on the page, and click on it. This step will narrow down your options, letting you easily find what you're looking for without having to sift through numerous paid templates. After you click on Paid Plus Free, your goal is to find the Free section. So go ahead and click on it. This will further filter the templates, showing only the ones that don't cost anything. At this point, you can scroll through the list and select any free template that catches your eye. When you find one that suits your needs, click on it to proceed. Now that you've selected your preferred template, you will see the option to Get the Template. Click on this button to move forward. This action will take you to the corresponding page on Notion. Here, you'll find the Add button, which allows you to add this free template to your personal Notion workspace. Simply clicking Add will integrate the template into your account. Finally, to ensure everything is set up correctly, click on See Template. This will open the template in your Notion app, allowing you to take a closer look and start using it right away. And there you go. You now have successfully added a new free Notion template to your account. Remember, these templates can be an invaluable tool in organizing your work or personal projects efficiently. They save time and effort, providing ready-made frameworks that you can personalize according to your requirements. So feel free to explore different templates and see which ones best match your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy organizing and enjoy your new Notion template.